In 60 seconds, I'll show you how to create responsive website mockups with Gemini AI. Open Gemini AI and start a new design project optimized for responsive web mockups. Type a concise site brief, goals, visual style, sections, and target breakpoints. Choose the responsive mockup preset and add desktop, tablet, and mobile frames. Watch Gemini generate clean layouts and reusable components in seconds, ready to edit. Use the Scribble tool to sketch layout changes. Gemini updates designs live and intelligently. Annotate UI elements with clear callouts, header, hero, cards, forms, and navigation. Define responsive breakpoints like 1200px, 768px, and 375px and preview each layout. Adjust spacing, grid, and font scales. Observe live previews across all breakpoints. Export component variants, assets, and CSS snippets for a smooth developer handoff. Save iterative versions, add concise notes, and generate a shareable prototype link. Start your responsive mockup with Gemini AI today, fast, precise, and production ready.